Hello traders, John at StockBookie.com. Today we're looking at NVDA AMD TSLA MU. We follow the daily, weekly, monthly time frames. We use technical analysis here at StockBookie.com. If you like these videos, go to my website, sign up, they're free, or click down here in the bottom right hand corner and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Traders, if you're looking for a new broker, check out venomtrading.com/promo/StockBookie. These guys are the best in the business. Been using them for years. Check them out, cobratrading.com. You won't be disappointed. All right, so daily chart, NVIDIA, what was it, $6.71 red, 2.7% down, and down after hours, along with the rest of the markets. This one did have, 13 million on the day, and we're still holding the trend line. Back below the 20 MA, inside this green bar, which is actually a slightly bullish pattern. Big area for this one now. First one will be the 240.18. Second area would be this little pivot here at 237.23. Market sell off. We can easily get down here tomorrow. Let's keep an eye on these, the indexes, the SPY, the IWM, the Qs. So if we get another major sell off like we did today, we could definitely be down in this area here. And this will be the 382 as well as the gap fill on the daily. So you have a lot of support going down on NVIDIA, guys. So it's just not going to give up, roll over unless the markets are rolling over. So remember, this is stock of the year. You get any dips, people are buying them until they can't. Until if they flush it, then people will stop buying them, and then hopefully, wait for the good areas for the possible long trade on NVIDIA. Volume was okay today, but man, what did sell off? 700 down on the Dow. Everything pretty much selling off. There was a couple green stocks here and there, but eventually if we get more selling, those will become red as well. So watch NVIDIA, guys. Still nothing wrong. Above the 50 and the 200, we start sliding down in this area. Then I would start to consider this lower trend line down here. Or, and even this pivot here right around 221.97. If it reaches there, most likely go into the 220 and down into this area. You can also draw, I'm looking at this one too. You can put a trend line here just to say, okay, if it breaks this one too, that's a pretty good one as well. So let's watch that one as well. We have the 20 MA current, start pretty much straight across, but if this comes in, it will start curling down. 50 MA looks like it wants to turn around. That's a 237.86. So let's keep an eye on this one, guys. Watch the volume, especially on the SPY. If we get heavy going through the first hour or so, it could be a possibility these all sell off. So AMD. I mean, again, futures are down a little bit, guys, but we'll wake up with 400 plus gap up, and we'll be fine again tomorrow. We'll be up 800 tomorrow. So don't worry, guys. Buy the dip. All right, let me pull this trend line out a little further. So AMD, guys, we talked about this bearish pattern. You look at my videos, last couple ones. Bearish pattern below the MAs, setting up for lower prices, and here we go. We're cracking the trend line. We talked about this big trend line too. This is a big one for AMD, guys. If this one cracks and starts going, and right now, if we close down in here and don't hold this pivot at 1064, we will be going down, possibly filling the gap very soon at 1029, and then eventually 10 bucks, and then this $9 area. If this area cracks, remember, you have a big fib or monthly chart 200 MA right here as well, right at, where is it, 10, come on, 970. So you're right in this area here. So gosh, you got a lot of support down in this area around the $10. If that cracks, I am telling you, we are going down to 7 bucks or 643, somewhere in this area. It's going to go, of course, 8, 9, 8, 7, but gosh, I think it could definitely get here if this pattern plays out. Big area to watch. If we get below the 1036, and of course we crack this 972, then I think easily 850 to 8 bucks, and then we'll see how the markets are reacting in that certain time frame. But yeah, this thing's weak. Look at this thing. It's starting to fall apart with the market. Markets keep moving lower. This will keep going lower. Everything, guys, will move lower. 59 million, so the volume was okay, and we continue selling. So let's see how it reacts at the 1064, and we'll take it from there. And you also have a fib 2 right here at 1073 or so. So big support down in this area. That cracks. Next area will be the 1028 or gap fill right here on this candle. So watch for that. But cracking the trend line, bulls, you need to get back above and recapture these trend lines, and this thing could possibly go higher. Right now, it looks like we're going to the lower end of the range, and we'll consider maybe buying here, maybe let it flush with the markets, and we get a better price for a long, and then they'll buy the dip. It will go up 40%. we'll capture the 10 or 20 and be out. All right, so that's AMD, guys. Watch this one. Right now it's starting to slip. Market sell. This one will be going lower with the market trade. Tesla, what can I say, guys? What we talking about this head and shoulder top here? Oh my God, not top, but you know, head and shoulder position. Look at that. Oh my gosh, and it's actually starting to play out, guys. So head and shoulder top or pivot, whatever you want to call. Right now it is the top of the or top of this. Not the all-time highs, but gosh, this is looking good, guys. So let's see what happens. Let's see. Big area for Tesla, 305.79. Then, of course, this low pivot here. If this low pivot at 294 cracks, then we will be fulfilling this. And the market sell, we will be in the 240 areas. And then maybe a buy. We're going to have to see how the markets are reacting. I like this area too as well. You have low pivots as well right here. Oh my gosh, that's a great area. Holy cow. And then if you look at the weekly, so that's around 245. The weekly, 253 is the 200 MA. Look at that. Look at those lines. Oh my gosh, if this gets down there, guys. And if this doesn't hold, holy crap, it's going to 180, back to 181. So if this area does not hold and you don't get a bounce, if it gets down here, your target right now is going to be about 262, right in this area. So, man, great. I love this path. Oh my gosh. And if this does not play out, this has to get back above the neckline and confirm to the upside. So right now it's in play. This could go down. Market sell. This thing could be a $250 stock. You'll have some stops on the way down, but keep an eye on that, Tesla bulls. Tighten those stops. I was telling you again, take some profits, take some profits, take some profits. And here you are back at 309 again. Great trading vehicles. Head and shoulder pattern here possibly playing out, so be careful with Tesla, guys. And MU, after hours, we're down 236, another high flyer, weekly chart, 46 will be the target, 50 bucks. This thing will be coming in. Market sell, it will be coming in a little bit more dramatically. Right now, inside bar, down sideways. If it can't get above this high at 63.42, it's not going anywhere, guys. And if this pattern starts to play out where it looks like we're going to gap down and open up around 56.55. If the market sell, we'll probably open up right around the 56 area, I would say, right by this gap fill. So we'll see how this one reacts. But bearish pattern, bullish stance above the MAs, but bearish inside bar at the top of a chart could possibly be playing out on MU. If you did not take profits, I mean, come on, if you're from 38 to 60, you're not taking any money off the table. Come on, let this thing pull back, buy it again, but don't turn a great trade, guys, into a turd. Okay, you had a pretty good breakout on this thing, though. Let me tell you, gosh, someone needed higher prices. Someone did something here. Just doesn't go up for just no reason. Maybe news or something, but come on, this is another one that's up and away. Gosh. But you're getting too extended from the 20 MA on all the time frames, which is bad. Weekly chart, that thing's super extended, and then the monthly chart. Monthly's not terrible, but it's getting there. Well, actually, yeah, 31, it's almost doubled. Yeah, this thing's going to be coming back. Price target, gosh, now that I look at it, price target maybe, I'm going to say at least 48, then 44, and then if markets are really dumping, you're going to be back to 36 bucks. And there maybe I would even step up to this and start going long. So anyways, guys, just be careful with this one. The bulls, you got to get above the high, the all-time high. That's it. You got to hold the 20 MA down in here. If it can, hold the gap fill as well. But we'll be keeping an eye on this one tomorrow. Earnings was tonight. It was down a couple bucks after hours. No great shakes, but a little bit extended on all time frames, stretch charts, high flyers, guys. Those are the ones I talk about if you follow me on StockTwitch. So those are the high flyer plays. So, and if you're not in any of these high flyers, guys, I've been telling you guys, BA's coming in now. 3M was another one. Coming in now. CAT. Coming in now. What was another one? The Dow. Let's see here. Amazon. Let's see what Amazon did today. Yeah, it's still holding on up there. Apple's been weak too. Look at that, guys. Right to that trend line. Gosh. So we're going to keep an eye on all these on tomorrow. The weekly close will be big for all these. Look at that sell-off. Wow. Some people thought this was going higher. Bull flag, and that is going right back down. Retraced up, got more bulls on. They're going to flush them out again. All right, guys, that's going to be it for today. A couple charts there. Just go to charts. I wish. Was it SCI? That was one someone told me today. This one's not bad, guys, for a short. I think it might have had earnings. Was it up? Yeah, look at that. Oh yeah. If you're not short this one, we're gonna put a position on tomorrow. It's probably gonna gap down, but we'll see. Just maybe go a half position. Start with that, and then save a quarter and a quarter, just in case if it starts to go up a little bit more. But this one's getting stretched. Price target would be right around 110, 107 right now. The market's solid. It could go a little bit lower, maybe to the even number of 100. But this is a great setup. This is a high flyer, guys. Members, if you're watching this video as well, help me find these high flyers. Go through charts, monthly charts, stretch jobs. If they're really stretched from the 20 and the 50 MA, we got to look for more of these. These are the ones we're going to pick on and short with shares. So, all right, guys, don't forget to go to StockBookie, become a member. We're doing a lot of great things. We're posting a lot of videos there for members only. So if you're not a member there, you got to be to see the video. And this one's on YouTube, so I'm going to keep doing them here too. I enjoy doing this, guys. I love making videos, and hopefully I can make the right calls. And lately I have been making really good calls. So following the SPY, we've been shorting a lot of calls, playing the decay. That's what we do here at StockBookie. A lot of those trades, and we short. One day we will go long. Another trader asked, "Do you ever go long?" I said, "Just not right now. I can't go." How do you go long on a stock like this even? Because someone upgraded it. So, but anyways, guys. Thanks for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. If you have any questions or comments, shoot me out an email, stockbookie@gmail.com. Anything. If you want me to look at a chart. But again, guys, help me find these high flyers. Send me an email. Send me a thing on StockTwit. Say, hey, look at this one. I saw this one today. I was like, whoa, look at this one. So, all right, thanks, guys, for stopping by. Really do appreciate it. God bless. See you on the charts.